Hi students, good morning everybody. So we started in the previous class, we started ratio. Along with ratio we have proportion also. What is meant by proportion? Definition: the equality of two ratios. The equality of two ratios is called proportion. The equality of two ratios is called proportion. The numbers A comma B comma C and D are said to be in proportion if A is to B is equal to C is to D. Understood? So the equality of two ratios is called proportion. When do we say four numbers are said to be in proportion? If A is to B is equal to C is to D. A is to B one ratio, C is to D another ratio. So for the numbers to be in proportion, these two numbers should be of same unit and these should be of the same unit, or 4 should be of the same unit, no problem. But compulsory on left hand side, both antecedent and consequent should be of same kind, same units. Kg means kg, centimeter means centimeter. So both should be of the same kind. Here B and C middle terms are there. Here B comma C are called means. Middle terms, no? So since they are middle terms, they are called means. They are middle terms. Middle terms. So that's why they are said to be means. And A and D are extremes. Extremes. Okay? So to test the proportionality of given numbers, given ratios, here I am writing, see, to test the proportionality, to test the proportionality of two ratios, we should have product of means equal to product of extremes. So this condition you must remember. So what is the proportionality condition? Product of means is equal to product of extremes. It's a very, very important condition. So in our proportion, we will get this formula everywhere. So what is proportionality? Proportion, the equality of two ratios is called proportion. So to say that A, B, C and D are said to be in proportion if A is to B equal to C is to D. This is one ratio, this is another ratio. The equality of two ratios. This can be written as like this also. A is to B is as C is to D. A is to B is as C is to D. So here middle terms B and C are called means. Extremes A and D are end terms. They are called extremes. So what is the proportionality condition? Product of means equal to product of extremes. Let us see one condition here. Check whether, one problem, check whether or not the two ratios form a proportion. First one, rupees 6 is to rupees 8 and 12 kg is to 16 kg. Second one, 6 kg is to 9 kg and 10 meters is to 16 meters. Okay? So here we should check whether they form proportion or not. Okay? To check that proportionality, first one, as I told you earlier, these two are of the same kind. See, rupees, rupees, no problem. Kg, kg, also no problem. Kg, kg, meter, meter. They should be of the same unit. So I can simplify the first ratio here. So rupees 6 is to rupees 8 can be 6 by 8. Ratio is nothing but a division. 2 3s, 2 4s. 3 by 4 means 3 is to 4. Similarly, take the second one. 12 kg is to 16 kg means 12 by 16. 4 3 is 12, 4 4 16. 3 by 4, 3 is to 4. See, both are same. Both are same. Both ratios we got same. That means these numbers, ratios, form a proportion. Therefore, given ratios form a proportion. Okay? Both ratios are equal. The equality of two ratios is called a proportion. So they form a proportion. Okay? That means I can write like this. Rupees 6 is to rupees 8 is as 12 kg is to 16 kg. Clear? So we can write as per the definition here. The equality of two ratios is called a proportion. I wrote instead of is equal to is as. Also you can write, no problem. Okay? We'll see the second one also. Whether they form a proportion or not, we will see. Okay? So how do we check that second one? First I will take kg, no problem. So 6 kg is to 9 kg. If they are not in the same unit, we have to change them. Okay? So I can write 6 by 9. 3 2s, 3 3s. 2 by 3 is nothing but 2 is to 3. Second one is 10 meter, 16 meter. So I can write 10 by 16. 2 5s 10, 2 8s are 16. 5 by nothing but 5 is to 8. Are they equal? No. That means, therefore, given ratios do not form a proportion. Do not form a proportion. Why? Because the ratios are not equal. So the ratios are not equal. That's why we say that given ratios do not form a proportion. The equality of two ratios is called proportion. Middle terms are called means. End terms are called extremes. Proportionality condition, whenever we have to check the proportionality, we can write this: product of means equal to product of extremes. You remember this formula. Product of means equal to product of extremes. Product of middle terms equal to product of end terms. Okay? We will see some more problems now. Find the value of x in each of the following proportions. Okay, first one. X is to 4 is equal to 6 is to 8. 14 is to x equal to 7 is to 9. 4 is to 6 equal to x is to 18. 8 is to 10 equal to x is to 25. 5 is to 15 equal to 4 is to x. 16 is to 24 equal to 6 is to x. So in each case, if x is to 15, one more, x is to 15 is equal to 8 is to 12. So in each case, we have to find the value of x. Okay, let me see first one. What is given here? X is to 4 is equal to 6 is to 8. They said already they are in the proportion, right? What did I tell you? The two ratios are equal, they are said to be in proportion. As per the proportionality condition, product of means equal to product of extremes. I can write that, right? We have condition, I told you already, product of means equal to product of extremes. Product of means equal to product of extremes. What are the means here? 4 into 6. Product of means, middle terms, okay, is equal to extremes means what? What are the end numbers here? X, 8. So x into 8. Got it? Product of means equal to product of extremes. So I want to find the value of x here. So 4 into 6, this 8 I should bring this side. Whenever I bring multiplication term to other side, that multiplication term will be in the division. Remember this, okay? So when I am bringing multiplication term to this side, it will be in the division. We can cut now. 4 ones, 4 twos, 2 ones, 2 threes. So what is my x value here? 3. Therefore, x value how much? 3. So this is the way we have to calculate. Okay. Next one we will see. Simple, same procedure. Next one, 14 is to x equal to 7 is to 9. Now what are the means here? X 7, extremes 14, 9. So product of means means x into 7 equal to 14 into 9. So I want x value, so 7 send that side. So what will you get here? 14 into 9 upon 7. Because it is in the multiplication, if you send that side, it will be in the division. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. 2 nines are 18. So therefore x value how much? 18. Right? Therefore, next value, next problem we will see. What next? 4 is to 6 equal to x is to 18. So what are the means here? 6 x, extremes 4 18. So product of means 6 into x equal to 4 into 18. So x value 4 into 18, this 6 send that side by 6. 6 1s are 6 3s are 4 3s are 12. Therefore, what is the value of x here? 12. Easy, no? You can try yourself this. Next one. Eight is to 10 equal to x is to 25. What are the means here? 10 x, extremes 8 and 25. So 10 into x equal to 8 into 25. Product of means equal to product of extremes. So I want x here. So 8 into 25, this side 10 send that side by 10. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5 5s are. So 5 4s are 20. You can cancellation, you should understand clearly what is the value of x there? 20. Okay. Next one. Five is to 15 is equal to 4 is to x. What are the means here? 5, 15, 4, extremes 5 and x. So product of means 15 into 4 is equal to product of extremes 5 into x. So I want x value there. So what should you do? Send 5 this side. 15 into 4 upon 5. 5 1s, 5 3s. So x value 4 3s are 12. Easy, no? Procedure. So only one thing you must remember. What is that? Proportionality condition is product of means equal to product of extremes. Okay. Next 16 is to 24 is equal to 6 is to x. What are the means here? 24, 6 and extremes 16 and x. So 24 into 6 is equal to 16 into x. So x equal to send 16 this side. 24 into 6 upon 16. 2 8s are, 2 3s are, 8 1s are, 8 3s are. So 9. Therefore x value. Okay. Last one we will see. X is to 15 is equal to 8 is to 12. Means are 15 and 8, extremes x and 12. So 15 into 8 is equal to x into 12. So I will send 12 this side. 15 into 8 upon 12. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are, 4 1s are, 4 2s are. So 5 2s are how much? 10. So what is the value of x here? That's all, the end of solution. Clear? So this is the way we calculate. So what is meant by proportion? The equality of two ratios is called proportion, and proportionality condition is product of means equal to product of extremes. Okay? We will continue in the next class. Thank you.